chilly and kind of blustery, but you know what? I'm actually feeling okay because Darlene brought in a huge order of houseplants and nothing makes me happier. And I have something really special for you all. So many customers have been coming in and specifically asking for a Monstera plant. They are hard to get, but Darlene managed to get her hands on them and we have them here for you. And I get it, I understand why you love this plant. Also known as Swiss cheese plant or split leaf philodendron. It is gorgeous. It has these beautiful glossy green leaves with these really cool Swiss cheese holes in it. And it is really gorgeous for decorating. It really enhances a house and any decor, and it goes really well in a home because it can handle a space that is not so bright. So it can be in a brightly lit room, but it does not need direct sunlight pouring down on it. It actually gets a little bit brown on the edges if it has too much sunlight, so a filtered sunlight is perfect for this Monstera plant. Know what else is kind of neat about this? When the leaves start out, the newer leaves, they're just this beautiful heart shape, but then as it matures and if it gets just the right amount of sunlight, these leaves split open and then you get that split leaf, which actually is also known as a hurricane plant because it is adapted to handle really high winds. Another thing that makes this plant really easy to care for is you don't have to water it like crazy. Let it dry out. You really want to let the top third of the soil dry out before you water it again. That's really important because overwatering a Monstera could really make it not so happy. So make sure that topsoil dries out. It does like humidity though, so if you put a tray of pebbles with some water in it and you sit that Monstera right on top of that, that humidity will naturally rise up and keep those leaves looking really green and healthy and happy. So it's here guys, the Monstera plant, the Swiss cheese plant, the split leaf philodendron, whatever you want to call it, we have it and it is a perfect plant for decorating your home. Get them while they're here, get them while they last. Thanks a bunch, see you next time.